What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little look at Tesla today. So Tesla started off the day a little rough. Now, we did lose the 1 hour 200-day moving average on Tesla. Quickly was bought up, right? So if we kind of look at what we did off the open here, lost all of these pre-market lows. You would expect, some of these scalpers to kind of get in on that loss of the pre-market lows. Just look at where we were at here. The 166.10 lost those lows and lost the after hours lows here on Friday. So if we were to get an entry price at the 166.05, we traded all the way down to 164.30, so about $1.75 on the move. Again, if you're an experienced scalper and you're looking for those plays, you're looking to take 50 cents, $1.25 very, very quickly. You're not expecting this thing to just continue to drop and drop and drop, especially after the decline that we had here coming back from Friday. If we actually really look at Friday, I mean, this was a significant move here, losing multiple areas of supply, trading all the way down to lower demand. But if we look at this candle here at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, aggressive green candle, very strong, powerful green candle engulfing all of this price action. Quickly kind of confirm that, put in a little bit of a newer high here, but we do have supply on Tesla sitting at 170. So between 170 and around 170.50, I would expect it to be a little bit choppy. That's the next zone that I'm looking to kind of get into, right? So, what you can do here is if you're looking to take an aggressive entry, you would take an aggressive entry over today's highs at around 169.50s, 169.60s. Play that into the 170, 171, hold the runner, because if we do get into this zone here, the next supply that we have is around 173.50. So again, if we do break this supply zone here, expect it to put in a new high, back test. And if we can hold this area here, if we can hold this 170, 171 and a half, or 170 and a half area, and push out, we've got a very, very good high probability that we're going to be trading all the way up to around 173. So again, just kind of keep that in mind right now, being that we just broke out of this previous demand zone here. So we've lost the demand zone, we reclaimed the demand zone, we're right sitting in the middle. What I would like to see here is if we do pull back, we've pulled back the last 2 hour candles now, we've pulled back, we've bounced, we pulled back, we bounced. So let's see what this kind of candle does here. If we do pull back into this zone here, we're going to get this 20 SMA to continue to rise here, acting as some support. I'd like to see it kind of tread up a little bit more. We're going to need a few more hour candles to kind of come out. But if we come back into the zone yet again and we push off, this might be a good bounce spot here between 167.50s, 168. Try to get that position into this middle of the range here so we can try to start selling for profits into 169, 170. Again, hold your runners there, because if we do break, we've got some more opportunities into 173. So that's exactly what I'm looking for here on Tesla. I don't see an immediate trade on this. Again, our firm support is going to be 166.35. Anything below that, we could trade down to the 164s. And obviously, anything below the 164s, we've got to be short, right? We've got to be short. 2 times we've held double bottom here, like people like to say, 1 time, 2 times tested, each time in this zone we've bounced. So that's telling you if we do lose this area here, we've got some more room to slide, and that's going to be an aggressive trade that you're going to want to be into on the short side of things. So again, watch for us to come back into this demand zone again, yet for the 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time, actually going all the way back to last Wednesday and Thursday. This area here has been acting as support. Anytime we get into this area, even if we do briefly lose it for a moment in time, we do recover it and kind of push back out of it. So I'd like to see if Tesla can finally hold this and start to tread higher, right? This is what we're ultimately looking for on the bull side of things. So, what we want to see here is we want to finally see this area actually hold and put in a significant high above this next supply zone. Again, 170 to around 170.60s. We need to get out of that. And once we can get out of that, then we can start working towards 173. Again, if you guys like these type of videos and you guys want access to trade with me, learn the full strategy and setup, join the Discord, talk to other traders, make sure to join the Discord down below. That description link is in the description box. Again, I just started my coaching for one-on-ones with one trader today. He was 3 for 3 on the day. We're working very, very small size, building confidence levels, building up consistency, and trying to get him to understand price action and the way that these stocks are going to move. So 3 for 3 is not bad. I think it was 10, 12, and 14% on each of those 3 trades. Again, not bad. I tailor a trading plan based on your account size. So I'm not going to put you out there trading Tesla if you're on a $500 account. I find stocks that are going to be able to keep the lights on for you so you can continue to trade. Now, obviously you come in with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,000 and beyond, then definitely you guys can trade things like Tesla. But, you know, starting off, if you've got a smaller account, we're going to tailor those ticker symbols to what you can afford and kind of build a trading plan, a set of rules, a mindset plan, and we're going to kind of watch the same levels day in and day out. So we're ready, right? We want to be ready. So that's the main thing. When you come into the markets, you want to be ready. You want to know, where are these stocks potentially heading if they do XYZ? And when they do that, we will need to be ready to react. This is a reaction-based business and a probable-based business. So we're going to lose, we're going to win, and we need to take action, right? We don't need to add to losers. We don't need to go on tilt and trade 100 times in a day. We just need to look for 1 to 2 setups. Again, I had some great setups today in the Discord. Nvidia long over the 270 and the 290 and 290, 220. That thing obviously exploded. AMD was another one. The triple Qs was another one. That's all you need, guys. You don't really need to trade, 20, 30, 40, 50 different stocks. All we need is just one. We're just looking for that one play. Get $1, get $2, get $3 off of these moves, and then kind of keep it rolling and keep it moving. Again, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did like this type of content. If you guys want to trade with me, again, all of that information is down in the description box below. I'll see you guys all next time.